channel.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn R sound. Before moving further, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Please watch all the previous videos to get a better clarity on Jolly Phonics. Let's go on to the story. Robert's family has a new puppy. They have to choose a name for him. Robert's parents like Rover, but Robert likes Ben. Robert can't decide. He goes up to his bedroom with the puppy to fetch his roller skates. While Robert looks for the roller skates, the puppy explores the bedroom. Suddenly, Robert hears a loud rough. Rrrr! The puppy has found a blanket and is shaking it from side to side. Robert gets hold of the blanket and tries to pull it away, but the puppy hangs on tightly. Going, rrrr, the blanket rips. Oh dear, said Robert, holding up the ripped blanket. This looks like a rag now. I know. We'll call you Rags.
Rag. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Let's see the words which have R sound. R, at, rat, rat. R, I, p, rip, rip. R, a, n, ran, ran. R, e, st, rest, rest. R, a, k, rack, rack. R, e, nt, rent, rent. R, I, sk, risk, risk. T, r, I, p, trip, trip. P, r, e, s, press, press. P, r, I, nt, print, print. T, r, a, p, trap, trap. T, r, a, k, track, track. T, r, I, k, trick, trick.
Thank you for watching.